Two facts. First, AI continues to see immense growth. Second, and often overlooked, is that AI needs energy, even more so than humans need to eat. That's why power-hungry AI data centers present an enormous opportunity for energy providers. Kind of like when there are only one or two places still open for a late-night dinner. As energy consumption increases, fewer companies within the broader energy sector will be able to keep up. The ones that will likely be nuclear power, given their high energy output with low emissions. The nuclear energy company OKLO is a prime candidate for this transition, which is shaping up to be a smooth and gradual change, made possible since OKLO formed an alliance with Liberty to accelerate the development of integrated power solutions for data centers and industrial facilities. The partnership aims to meet the immediate energy needs of these power-hungry customers while providing a path towards zero-carbon baseload power. Under the agreement, Liberty will provide primary power services in the form of natural gas until OKLO's nuclear powerhouses are operational, at which point the systems will be integrated. Specifically, Liberty's natural gas power generation and load management solution, FORT, will provide initial reliable primary power and flexible energy services, along with future grid management services focused on optimization and resiliency. As OKLO's advanced nuclear powerhouses come online, they'll be integrated to provide clean, continuous baseload energy, complementing Liberty's natural gas power. This approach will enable customers to transition towards zero-carbon baseload power while meeting their immediate energy needs. In the process, the alliance will provide a valuable case study and framework for how to deliver a next-generation approach to energy, allowing customers to scale power with confidence and offering a clear path to zero-carbon energy. According to Ron Gusek, CEO of Liberty, the partnership will redefine how energy-intensive industries can scale efficiently with cost-effective next-generation power solutions. This partnership builds on Liberty's existing investment in OKLO, which dates back to 2023 when Liberty committed $10 million to the then-new nuclear technology company. Liberty's CEO highlighted the innovative approach of combining rapid deployment, intelligent load management, and integrated grid management to offer developers unmatched speed to market, price stability, and a future-ready energy platform. While OKLO's CEO, Jacob DeWitt, emphasized that the collaboration provides large-scale power users with a turnkey alternative that integrates generation, backup, grid interaction, and optimization, all through a single provider. OKLO had also already gathered interest since it went public last year, after merging with a special purpose acquisition corporation led by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. The deal with Liberty immediately follows OKLO's announcement of a partnership with Vertiv, a data center infrastructure specialist, to develop power and cooling solutions for hyperscale and colocation data centers using OKLO's small modular reactors. The systems are being designed to utilize heat from on-site power plants to drive data center cooling systems, while providing reliable power for AI and high-performance computing while minimizing environmental impact. All crucial elements in addressing rising power demand in U.S. data centers by providing an integrated solution that optimizes power and cooling. By leveraging heat from OKLO's on-site power plant to enhance Vertiv's cooling systems, the partnership aims to improve energy efficiency in data centers. OKLO's CEO, Jacob DeWitt, emphasized that the agreement is about delivering clean power, energy-efficient cooling, and infrastructure solutions tailored for AI factories, data centers, and high-density compute. The partnership will also develop comprehensive reference designs for data centers powered by OKLO's facilities. The pilot technology demonstration is planned for OKLO's first Aurora powerhouse at Idaho National Laboratory, scheduled to start producing commercial power by the end of 2027. Leading to excitement that's quickly quelling concerns about OKLO still technically being in the pre-revenue phase of its development, which inherently sees continuous cash burn. Early speculation is giving way to growing enthusiasm for nuclear energy stocks like OKLO, which also benefit from the impact of executive orders that can support and incentivize nuclear power development. On top of that, these collaborations build on OKLO's recent efforts to advance its technology, including a memorandum of understanding signed in May with Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power to develop and globally deploy its fourth-generation small modular reactor technology.